जय हिंद एवरीवन। तो आज आप देख रहे हैं अध्ययन डिफेंस एकेडमी का यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे कुछ 5 क्वेश्चंस पीक्यूआरएस क्वेश्चंस गेट एसपीआई सैंपल क्वेश्चन पेपर से। तो लेट्स बिगिन। क्वेश्चन 1, पी बाय एन एम्परर नेम्ड शाहजहान। क्यू द ताज महल इज आर इन मेमोरीज ऑफ हिज वाइफ मुमताज महल। एस ब्यूटीफुल मॉन्यूमेंट बिल्ट इन 1631। तो सेंस ये कहता है कि हम ताजमहल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। So the sentence will start with Q. So let's check. A, it starts with Q. S, it starts with B, it starts with S. C, it starts with R, and D, it starts with S. So with elimination method, we can directly check. The answer is A. Question 2. P, most of the things it. There was a Q. There was a time when each are needed for its everyday life. S, family actually produced for itself. So we don't have to start with words like needed, which don't tell about, which don't start the sentences. So we can start with there was a time. So let's check. So we can use Q at the beginning. So let's check. P, it starts with P, it starts with Q, it starts with R, and it starts with P. So we can directly say that the answer is B. Question 3. As we see it, we have to speak the truth. There is a falsehood and darkness, even if all around us. So question 3. P. As we see it, Q. We have to speak the truth. There is a falsehood and darkness. S. Even if all around us. So the sentence doesn't start with as. So we'll not use P at the beginning. We can use V at the beginning, so it is a chance. What we are talking about, what, so we will not use there at the beginning. And S, does even at the beginning, does it make any sense? No, so it also gets eliminated. So we will start with Q. It starts with P, it gets eliminated. R, it gets eliminated. R, it gets eliminated. Q, so the answer is D. Question 4. P, at the railway station. Q, reported only mass gatherings. R, reports of non-violence were. S, flooding in while police station. Reported will not start with reported. Reports of violence, flooding in while police stations. So we'll begin Q. At the railway stations, reports of violence were. Flooding in while the police dispatches reported only mass gatherings. So P, R, S, Q. Answer is C. Question 5. P, it would appear from the statement Q about the policy of the management. In R, in dealing with the strike. S, that he was quiet and dark. So let's start with P. It would appear from the statement. We cannot use about, we cannot use in, and we cannot use that. So we have to start with P. So let's check. It is not Q, it is not A, it is not B, it is C, and it is not D. So answer is C. Thank